Just to risk it all to find something that's real. But when it all goes dark around me, who's gonna be there?
Welcome to 14 Main Street, Paterson, a beautifully renovated, much-loved family home offering space, privacy in a very sought-after location.
And I just want somebody that I call, somebody that won't let go, somebody that watches that.
With its spacious layout, fantastic shed and studio, this is one you'll want to inspect quickly. It won't last long.
Somebody that stands beside, somebody